दोस्तों, मैं आर के फिर हाजिर हूँ आपके लिए लेकर एक और नया वीडियो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग MCQ 02। दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम स्टडी करेंगे मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के 25 important multiple choice questions. These questions have asked repeatedly in various competitive exams. दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल स्टडी पॉइंट को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। और चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। Question number 1. The quality of vapors at the exit of nozzle dash due to nozzle friction. Option A increases, B decreases, C does not change, and option D unpredictable. And right answer will be option A increases. Next question. Which one is not a reason behind the fact that ideal regenerative cycle is practically not possible? Option A. The reversible heat transfer takes infinite time. B. It is mechanically impossible to exchange heat in the turbine. Option C. The moisture content in the turbine will be high. And option D. The steam specific volume will be too high. And right answer will be option D. The steam specific volume will be too high. Next question. Question number 3. The ratio of the ultimate stress to the design stress is known as option A. Elastic limit, B. Strain, C. Factor of safety, and option D. Bulk modulus. And right answer is option C. Factor of safety. Next question. Question number 4. Which of the following configuration has the highest fin effectiveness? Option A. Thin closely spaced fins. B. Thin widely spaced fins. Option C. Thick widely spaced fins. And option D. Thick and closely spaced fins. And right answer will be option A. Thin closely spaced fin. A will be the right answer. Question number 5. Biogas is predominantly option A. Hydrogen, B. Carbon monoxide, C. Carbon dioxide, and D. Methane. And right answer will be option D. Methane. Biogas is predominantly methane. Biogas mainly मीथेन गैस होती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 6. For the same pressure, the saturation temperature of ammonia is option A. Higher than saturation temperature of water. Option B. Lower than saturation temperature of water. Option C. Same as saturation temperature of water. And option D. Depend on the concentration of ammonia in water. And right answer will be option B. Lower than saturation temperature of water. Next question. Question number 7. In a Rankine cycle, regeneration results in higher efficiency because option A. Pressure inside the boiler increases. B. Heat added before steam enter the low pressure turbine. Option C. Average temperature of heat addition in the boiler increases. And option D. Total work delivered by the turbine increases. And right answer will be option C. The average temperature of heat addition in the boiler increases. C will be the right answer. Question number 8. If eta 1 and eta 2 are the thermal efficiency of two individual power plants when they are coupled in series, the overall thermal efficiency eta 0 of the combined plant is given by eta 0 is equal to eta 1 eta 2, b eta 0 is equal to eta 1 plus eta 2, option C eta 0 is equal to eta 1 plus eta 2 minus eta 1 eta 2, and option D eta 0 is equal to eta 1 plus eta 2 plus eta 1 into eta 2, and right answer will be option C. Overall efficiency will be equal to eta 1 eta 0 is equal to eta 1 plus eta 2 minus eta 1 eta 2. C will be the right answer. Question number 9. During an adiabatic saturation process of an unsaturated air, the parameter which remain constant is option A dry bulb temperature, B dew point temperature, C thermodynamic wet bulb temperature, and option D relative humidity. And right answer will be option C थर्मोडायनेमिक वेट बल्ब टेम्परेचर, यानी इसको WBT भी बोलते हैं, will be the remain constant. Next question. Question number 10. Decrease of air fuel ratio in spark ignition engine results in option A increase of nitrox, B a decrease of CO and unburned hydrocarbon, C an increase of CO and unburned hydrocarbon, and option D none of the above. And right answer will be option C an increase of CO and unburnt hydrocarbon. Decrease of air fuel ratio spark ignition engine result in increase of CO and unburnt hydrocarbon. C will be the right answer. Next question. Question number 11. The most air at 35 degrees centigrade and 100% relative humidity is enter a psychometric device and living at 25 degrees centigrade and 100% relative humidity. The name of the device is option A humidifier, B dehumidifier, option C sensible heater, and option D sensible cooler. And right answer will be option D sensible cooler. Next question. Question number 12. The pressure at a point is equal in all directions. Option A only when the fluid is inviscid, B when the fluid is incompressible, option D when the fluid is at the rest, and option D in a laminar flow. And right answer will be option C when the fluid is at rest. The pressure at a point is equal in all directions when the fluid is at rest. Next question. Question number 13. If the specific humidity of most air remain same but its dry bulb temperature increases, option A its dew point temperature increases, B its dew point temperature decreases, option C its dew point temperature remains same, and option D its dew point temperature may increase or decrease depending upon the increase or decrease of relative humidity. And right answer will be option C. Its dew point temperature remains same. Next question. When the depth of immersion of a plane surface is increased, the center of pressure will Option A, come closer to centroid. B, move further away from the centroid. Option C, will remain unchanged. And option D, depend on the specific weight of liquid. And the right answer will be option A, come closer to the centroid. When the depth of immersion of a plane surface increase, the center of pressure will come closer to the centroid. Next question. Refrigerant R717 is option A, ammonia, option A, air. Question number 15. Refrigerant R717 is option A, air, B, ammonia, C, carbon dioxide, and option D, freon 12. And right answer will be option B, ammonia. Next question. Question number 16. Velocity at a point in a pipe flow may be measured by installing option A, pitot tube probe at that point, B, a wall trap, option C, a stagnation pressure probe at that point, and option D, a Prandtl probe at that point. And right answer will be option A, pitot probe at that point. Next question. Question number 17. Environment friendly refrigerant R134A is used in the new generation domestic refrigerators. Its chemical formula is option A, CHClF2, B, C2Cl3F3, option C, C2Cl3F4, and option D, C2H2F4. And right answer will be option D, C2H2F4. Next question. Question number 18. The room sensible heat loss is 30,000 kilojoule per hour and the latent heat loss is 20,000 kilojoule per hour. Then the sensible heat factor is option A, 0.66, B, 0.60, C, 0.30, and option D, 1.50. And right answer will be option B, 0.60. सेंसिबल हीट फैक्टर होता है सेंसिबल हीट अपॉन टोटल हीट, एंड इसका राइट आंसर होगा 0.60. Question number 19. The shear stress between two fixed parallel plates with a laminar flow between them, option A, constant across the gap, B, vary parabolically as the distance from the mid plane, option C, varies inversely as the distance from the mid plane, and option D, vary directly as the distance from the mid plane. And right answer will be option D, varies directly as the distance from the midpoint. The shear stress between two fixed parallel plates with a laminar flow between them varies directly as the distance from the midpoint. Option D is the right answer. Next question. Question number 20. When power P of a pump, the head H, the discharge Q, and specific weight W of the liquid, dimensional analysis would lead to the result that P is proportional to option A, H की power 1 by 2 Q square W, B, H की power 1 by 2 Q W, H Q की power 1 by 2 W, and option D, HQW. And right answer will be option D, HQW. Next question. Question number 21. The center of pressure of a vertical rectangular plate with height of h meter from its base is at option A, h by 2 from base, h by 3 from base, option C, 2h by 3 from base, and option D, 3h by 4 from the base. And right answer will be option B, h by 3 from the base. Next question. Question number 22. Turbulence in a flow implies option A, random component of velocity superimposed on the mean flow, B, unsteadiness of flow, C, non-uniformity of flow, and option D, unsteadiness and non-uniformity of the flow. And right answer will be option A, random component of velocity superimposed on mean flow. Next question. Question number 23. Which one flow is an irrotational flow? Option A, free vortex flow, B, force vortex flow, C, Corti flow, and D, wake flow. And right answer will be option A, free vortex flow, because free vortex flow also apply in the Bernoulli theorem, and Bernoulli theorem में flow should be irrotational. So free vortex flow will be the right answer. Which one of the flow is irrotational? Answer will be free vortex flow. Next question. Question number 24. The rivet head used for boiler plate riveting is usually option A, snap head, B, pan head, C, countersink head, and option D, conical head. And right answer will be option A, snap head. The rivet head used for boiler plate riveting is usually snap head. Question number 25. The eye bolt are used for option A, transmission of power, B, locking devices, option C, lifting and transporting heavy machines, and option D, absorbing lock and vibration, absorbing shocks and vibrations. And the right answer will be option C, lifting and transporting heavy machines. तो दोस्तों ये था आज का हमारा वीडियो। अगर हमारा वीडियो आपको पसंद आया है तो इस वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक करिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल स्टडी पॉइंट। थैंक यू दोस्तों, फिर मिलेंगे एक और नई वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।